Sinoped is located in the historical city of Liang, which is one of the leading industrial centers in northeast China. It was established in 1947 as the first state-owned enterprise to produce pharma equipment with European support. We originally specialized in the production of glass-lined reactors and centrifuge. Over the years, Sinoped has gradually expanded its products to mixers, dryer granulators, capsule tablet machine, and packing machines. With help of Chemical and Agriculture Institute, Sinoped established one project company, which can offer design, installation, technical transfer service for turnkey project. We have successfully helped some of famous enterprise. For example, Pfizer, Viavi, Magfum, Malda, etc. And this time we come to Russia, to Astasit one company, to assist them in enzyme production, and we will have more cooperation in the future, including equipment supply, technical transfer, cooperative investment, etc. Sinoped company is ready to use this conference as a good chance to take advantage of new opportunities and integrate into a new development strategy in the Europe region. We are also looking forward to sell Europe product to China, to the world, based on mutual beneficial cooperation and joint assistance in promoting high-quality development.